Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up OpenAI API data pipelines with AWS S3 step-by-step clearly. To begin, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service from the list of AWS services. Once in the S3 dashboard, click on the Create Bucket button. Choose a unique name for your bucket, ensuring it follows AWS naming conventions. Select the region where you want your bucket to reside for optimal performance. Configure any additional settings according to your project requirements. Click on the Create Bucket button to establish your new storage solution. Next, open your OpenAI API data pipeline configuration settings. Determine the specific data you wish to back up. Set up necessary permissions for AWS S3 to ensure it can receive data from your pipeline. Utilize the AWS SDK or AWS CLI within your pipeline's code. Integrate the necessary libraries into your code to facilitate connections with S3. Write a function to upload your API data to the secure S3 bucket. Be sure to include error handling in your code for robustness. Specify the bucket name and the desired object key for the uploaded data. Invoke your upload function at the appropriate point in your data pipeline. Afterwards, test the integration with a small sample of data. Verify that the data appears accurately in your S3 bucket. Set up a schedule for regular backups to ensure consistent data preservation. Consider implementing versioning in your S3 bucket for added data protection. Monitor the performance and successful execution of your backup process. Make adjustments to your pipeline as necessary to enhance efficiency. With these steps completed, you will have a reliable backup of your OpenAI API data in AWS S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.